This is bad.
Got a tip from a concerned civilian. Head over there and do what y'all gotta do.
And the motherfuckers who took it out, oh, they'll pay. You know why? Her hands like this, but Morgan is alive and well. Now the fucking turn this thing off.
Careful, someone's lurking!
You've seen Lizzie.
So what's this you got for me?
V, you're Dorothy. Dropped into a foreign land. You faced many obstacles and overcome them to see Hansen's Emerald City.
Metaphor is esoteric at best. Going anywhere with it?
Only toward a happy conclusion. You've labored diligently and earned your reward. Your very own silver slippers.
Always excited to get a pair of new kicks. Or whatever we're talking about.
I do appreciate an open mind.
All right, Hands. Enough's enough.
Right. Well, your silver slippers await outside. I wish you safe travels, V. It's been interesting, if not to say peculiar.
So that's it for our biz together?
Who can say? For the time being, it certainly is. Please, no tears. And one last thing. Be wary of witches, the wicked and the good. Until next time, V.
Yep. Till then, Hands. Heard Netwatch is on the prowl, sniffing around here lately.
I'm certain I have no idea what you're talking about. Unfortunately, this thing I know nothing about is a problem for the VDBs. So much so, district power consumption has dropped by half.
Voodoo's troubles keeping you up at night? Mr. Hands the altruist.
No, disruptions to the status quo keep me up at night. My concern grows when the seeds of chaos are sown. It's bad for business.
grab the delivery cords and drive. Someone on your ass.
Это потом. Надо бежать.
C'est nous qui est.
Bad news. You only got a few minutes, so chop chop or I'm down a client.
Oh, ici! Vite, joins-moi! Messieurs, tout frère! Vous crasez, boudal! Que problème? On est tout imbécile là, non? Tirez déjà, non?
You're close now, but lose the tail or wipe him out yourself. list.
Здравствуйте. Мне должна была прийти посылка.
We should talk. Face to face.
Не продается. Вали, а то покупателей распугаешь.
Could it be a gig coming my way?
Far better. I see a blank page in Night City's Chronicle. Your name is on it. The page and I await at the Heavy Hearts.
My, aren't we confident today?
Я только что получила сообщение.
Вот сука! Блять!
У тебя что, нет?
Плохая неделя. Ребенок заболел.
Оптику сломал!
Когда следующая поставка?
Через 2 дня. Собирать ты будешь? Наверное. Меня там уже знают.
Богатеет корпорации, тогда богатеет и общество.
Nothing to do but wait.
Hello, welcome.
And silly I'd swing by. It's about a gig.
Oh, it's you. Before we continue, I need to verify through biometric scan. Connect here.
Fine, have it your way.
It will only take a moment.
It won't hurt a bit, what they all say.
They also say the proof is in the data. You cannot know who anyone truly is until you see what lies within. Small things that help a netrunner sleep at night. There, authorization confirmed. All you need is here. Just so you know, gathering it wasn't easy. The max-tac data fortress is a labyrinth and a panopticon combined. Every node you pass attracts 1,000 unwanted stares.
But you managed. You're my hero, Yoko.
Wait. Our cooperation need not end here, if you catch my meaning. That is, if you plan to do what I think with this data. Interested?
Maybe. Now, strict hypothetical. What you think I aim to do?
Let's suppose you positioned yourself where a certain convoy was to pass.
Mm-hmm. And?
And let's suppose you were either prepared or insane enough to eliminate the guards of the convoy. Hot or cold?
Getting warm.
Our mutual friend would offer additional thanks for the windfall that would result from this. If you would be so kind and send us the coordinates of the location where you deal with your problem.
You after max stack gear, is that it? Get there before anyone else does?
You would only need to send the coordinates.
Give it a shot, but no promises.
I need the coordinates, nothing more. In return, I guarantee a generous reward. Good luck.
You know that data's cause enough for max attack and max murder.
They'll have to get in line.
Touché. All right. Let's get Reed's super spy peepers on this. See where it leads.
Барри, я ничего не перепутал?
Ну кто там?
Это я, Ви! Сосед твой сверху, помнишь? На днях про машины трепались. Ты нахваливал Мидзутани Сион, а я сказал, что это говно для позеров.
Помню. Тебя, козла, забудешь.
Ты на меня так посмотрел, что мне захотелось в пустошах сныкаться.
Помню, да. Чего тебе?
Да так, поболтать зашел. Говорят, ты совсем из дома не выходишь. Догадываюсь, почему. Мне знаком этот взгляд. Слишком часто он бывает у людей вроде нас.
Вроде нас? На копа-то не похож.
Друзей теряют не только копы. В моем деле мы тоже все под смертью ходим. Привыкнуть, конечно, можно, но тут уходит кто-то очень близкий.
У тебя тоже? Заходи.
Я тоже потерял друга. Самого близкого и самого лучшего.
В смысле тоже? А, это ты про Эндрю. То есть они тебе сказали. Он был мой самый близкий, самый старый друг. Он всегда готов был меня выслушать.
А больше друзей у тебя на службе нет? Ну вот, Петрова, Мендес.
Петрова хорошая баба, но ей этого всего не объяснишь. А Мендес, вообще дубина. Он думает, что нам, копам, слабость не прощается. Но убили мальчишку, это жизнь. А кто раскис, тот сопля.
Но про Эндрю ты ему рассказал.
Тебе правду? Я много об этом думал. Короче, Петрова и Мендес знают далеко не все, и это к лучшему.
Мендес просто ни хера не знает о жизни. Предел есть у всех, и даже у него. Просто он к нему еще не подобрался.
А если он прав? Может, я и правда мямля, слабак, сопля? Выживает ведь сильнейший.
Это нормально горевать о потере. Легко терять то, что тебе недорого.
Наверное. Хорошо поговорили, но мне надо побыть одному и подумать об этом.
Конечно. Береги себя.
А, это ты? Ну что там, Барри? Перестал сопли на кулак наматывать.
Мендес, ты задрал уже.
Мы поговорили. Держится вроде, но очень подавлен. И явно у него проблемы с Мендесом.
Чего? А в глаза он мне это сказать не мог?
Он терпеть не мог свою работу, и ему было не с кем об этом поговорить. Он сказал, что вы даже не пытались его понять.
Ну что, права я была?
Ой, да ладно. Парень просто любит истерику закатить. Надо его встряхнуть как следует, чтобы мозги на место встали.
Ну, посмотрим. Нужно будет к нему заглянуть. Спасибо за помощь. Возьми за труды.
Меня зовут Джефферсон Пералис. Я отвечаю за эти слова.
Заесил на чистоту. Настоящий взрыв.
Бросаю гранату!
Alright, V, flipping you the course. The cruiser's very eager to swap hands. Saw that coming a mile away. Motherfuckers won't let you go easy.
Дебилы, блядь, косорукие!
Заткни свою вонючую пасть!
Полиция Найт-Сити!
Ладно, пора.
А может выйдешь, и мы поговорим?
Это чё?
Ты все равно умрешь! Хватит тянуть!
Not gonna lie, V. Think you got a gift. Thanks for the help, V. My chum will do the finishing touches.
Black chance for this luxury apartment in the dollop of sunshine. Watch your investment blossom.
jumping max tack now, are we? Stepping up your game. Busting into Arasaka Tower it ain't. But it's up there. Somewhere. Trying to knock me off the arch-terrorist pedestal?
The famed JS got a hot take on all this?
On going toe-to-toe with max tack? Hell yeah. Good fucking luck. 'Cause you're gonna fucking need it.
Meant Reed and Songbird.
Huh. What's there to say? Chick bought a one-way ticket to cyber hell. Floored the chew and cut the brakes.
And she's dragging us along.
Can say that again.
Nuh-uh, that was not part of... This your partner? Fuck me. Didn't know you'd signed onto some suicide pact. Now hold up a second. I know you. Heard a thing or two about you. More good than bad. You're sure to come in handy. Now for a dozen more like you to stand any chance of surviving.
Handle ourselves fine. Don't you worry.
Anyone ought to be worried around here, it's you.
That's enough.
Well then, I just hope the FIA sends us new contact dates once you're busy pushing up daisies. But if you do survive this cat orgy of an op, remember, you and me are square now.
Modern day patriotism for you. About time we went over the plan.
Ready to plan, strategize? Got everything we need?
Got everything we can count on having. I flicked through your intel. Convoy routes, vehicle array, weaponry they're likely to have. It's not gonna be easy. The reason they're called Psycho Squad's twofold. They're almost cyber psychos themselves. The best chance we have of stopping them's here. Traffic minimal, vantage points optimal. They'll come down this road. Once in range, we hit them hard. Bring them to a stop. We then neutralize all max tac operatives, grab Songbird, run it to an exfil point just across the SoCal border. Our friend here knows the specifics. He'll fill you in. I got one last thing I need to take care of.
Take it you're here to help.
Here's a lowdown. Convoy will roll in from the northwest. Likely run right into the booby trap cars we'll set up. This could decommission a few vehicles, force the rest to switch lanes. We'll cut off any chance of retreat, set off some planted charges, stop them dead in their tracks. Second Reed pops a behemoth driver, you'll dive in. Your chum Reed also requested some badass toys. Offensive turrets, mines, smoke grenades, ladder, not an issue. But the mines and turrets, want a way in, sift to the deets, or leave prep to me. It's your call.
Deets, my man. Walk me through 'em.
Right on. When fixing to go out guns blazing, best be on your own terms. Slot the shard. Once the drone's airborne, I'll explain the whats, hows, and whys.
Alrighty then. Let's see if you're as useful as Reed claims.
All right. 2 items of biz to nail down. One's your strategy. Second, the kit we need to set you up with.
Gear. What's on the tasting menu?
Sitch is simple. Reed wants both mines and turrets. Well, I want a divorce without saying goodbye to a single innie. Can't have a cake, but only to stare at it till it goes bad. Short notice, folks. Can hook you up with one or the other, not both. Turrets for firepower, mines for crippling mobility. Your call, boss.
Where'd it be good to plant mines?
Depends on your chosen tactic. We could leave them some party favors at the Sky Bridge's inns and at the hotel door. Prevent the motherfuckers from taking high ground. Makes the most sense if you'll be firing from there. Then again, if you'd rather go street level, get in close, we can pepper the mines over the road surface. So what do you say? We mine in the road, or the way up to the terrace?
Mind the road. Be looking to get in close, fast as I can.
Ask, and you shall receive.
Want to talk strategy? What are our options?
Got about as many as there are Frilly tea rooms in Dogtown. So, not a whole lot. Do best to figure out the position you'll be ambushing them from. Then decide if smoke nades favor you there.
How would we use them?
We set nades off on the road. For a time, the assholes will be aiming and shooting blind. Hopefully, each other.
What about reading me? Want to reduce visibility for us?
Newsflash. There's no such thing as perfect solutions. Always some trade-off. We can paralyze them, ease your way into their ranks, but it'll cost you the reduced effectiveness of Reed's covering fire. Decision's yours. We doing nades or not?
What the hell? Let's try using them. Should be surprising. Even if they're quick to regroup, it'll buy us time.
A gamble. But it can pay off. Like my old man used to say, life's a losing game, but you go all in anyway. Moving on. Your starting positions for when the shit hits the fan. Care for a gander?
Sure, one of my options.
Terrace is a solid choice. Prime visibility and pissing range of the convoy. But there are possibilities aplenty. The stairs, you'll have the ambush laid out in front of you. Means opportunities for laying down strategic fire. Third approach is riskier. By the sky bridge, can close the gap from there in no time. In a nutshell, terrace is a safe, secure position. Stairs give you prime visibility. Sky bridge lets you get up close and personal, real quick.
Right, clear. Good positions all. I'll pick one, perch there, set up.
Yeah, cooking with gas now.
Plan's shaping up real nice. Just need a word with Reed now.
Gonna set up then, and make tracks. As for you two, well, good fucking luck.
Ready on my end. You?
Almost. This is our jammer. I just need to calibrate it so the signal isn't too strong. Otherwise, so me could... I just hope we're not too late.
Clear to see. You care about her still. Reed?
Let's focus on the task at hand.
Fine, say fuck all for all I care.
I'm focused on the up. That's it.
Focused, right. That's what it is.
V.
Spare both of us the bullshit.
You want to know the truth? Fine. Today, or 7 years ago, don't know what exact point I fucked up. The end result's that now we're here while she could die. I just pray that she's the one we're saving. The Somi I knew, and not some... I'm fucking scared, V. Scared my grip on everything is slipping. There. Happy?
I get it, Reed, but you can't have everything under control. Not always.
Maybe so. But it's good you're here. It matters. It'll all work out. We just have to finish this.
Best get to it then.
I just gotta jam max tax frequencies. Get ready.
That thing jamming his pangs of conscience too? Ought to get myself one.
What do you want about now?
Chick's a half brain dead, half AI controlled zombie, yet still the gonk's convinced his old partner's trapped inside. That only he can save her.
What would the Big J do? Abandon hope?
Know what being in the army taught me? Hope dies last, 'cause the backstabbing bitch makes damn sure she gets you killed first. So you'll warm the fucking grave for her. Saw many thousand-yard stares. Willpower gone, hope hovering for no reason. Wanna bet on miracles? Go ahead. I'll pass.
Just talk to her.
Huh?
Body language. I could tell you enabled the relic. So was it her? Did you grab hold of Song?
No, just a side effect of the relic. Your chums at Langley have their work cut out for them.
Right. Understood. All right. Jam is calibrated. Do you know what to do?
Take my position, await the convoy. Going hot when I see the charges pop.
We grab Song and head for the exfil point on the border. Clean quick, no slip-ups, no trip-ups. And one eye on Song the whole time, got it?
Okay, moving to my position. Good luck, Reed.
We won't need luck.
Хорошо, жду.
I got eyes on the target. All right, they're in the tunnel.
V.
Songbird? How the hell did you...
I was... not you. Anyone but you.
So me, you there? Link's alive?
I trusted you. But I won't mistake again. Stay out of my way. I'm warning you. You've got nothing to say? Maybe you finally learned something. Goodbye, V.
On the move, get ready.
Songbird made contact. Link's still active. She won't forgive us, not for...
Don't expect her to. Need to focus now. On my mark.
Here they come.
Focus up, B. We can do this as long as we work together.
Copy that. Let's give him hell.
Backup needed. We are under attack.
Занять опустевшую позицию, не отступать!
Так-то лучше!
Зацепила! Все, достаточно!
I'm at the truck, Reed.
Careful now.
Fuck!
Who the fuck are you? Sniper on the roof! Work with DB. Watch your target. There's cyberware. I'm gonna try to neutralize it. That's what you're bastard! Take out the fucking sniper! Trust me, it's only two-handed V. Won't take long. You're fucked now!
Try me, assholes!
Man down! Targeted another. Down. Finish up one target. Got it! I got a bogey in my pocket. Good work. Targeted another.
Leave me alone. Don't follow me. Or it's too late.
Shit. Goddamn shrapnel. Fuck.
How about we talking? Reed. Shit.